Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making pasta, one of the many Somali spaghettis. Here are the ingredients you'll need. A ½ pound of spaghetti. 1/4 cup of sugar, which is small cubes of beef. 1/4 of a small onion. 1 chicken cube or chicken Maggi. 1 tomato. 1 clove of garlic. 1 tablespoon of cilantro. 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, which is 1/8 cup. You want to start by boiling the meat. If you boil the meat first, it makes it more tender. Boil the spaghetti until it's cooked and soft. Stir the pasta to make sure that it doesn't stick together. Some people add a drop of oil. You want to start by smashing the garlic and cilantro together. If you don't have something like this to smash the garlic and cilantro, you can use a rolling pin and a plastic cup and use the end of the rolling pin and smash it together. This is what the garlic and cilantro should look like once it's smashed together. While you're waiting for the spaghetti and meat to finish boiling, it's a good time to chop up your onion and tomato. The onion, you want it to be finely chopped. The tomato can be cut in chunks. After the vegetables are chopped, check on the spaghetti and meat to see if it's done. Now that the pasta is done boiling, strain it over cold water. This will prevent the pasta from sticking together. Now that the meat has finished boiling, drain all the water off of it and add a few spoonfuls of oil. Fry until the onions are see-through and soft. Now that the onions are done, add the chicken cube. Move it around to dissolve it up. Once the chicken cube is dissolved, add the chunks of tomato. Stir it up. Cook until the tomatoes are dissolved, pressing down on the tomatoes with your spoon to help them dissolve up. Now that the tomatoes are fully dissolved up, add your crushed garlic and cilantro. Stir it well. You can add salt to taste. Once it's stirred well, add your 2 tablespoons of sauce. Now that everything is stirred in well, add your pasta to the dish. Mix it well. This will also reheat the spaghetti. Now that the spaghetti has been stirred in well, it's ready to serve. It's now ready to eat.